Ezzy,
What?
what do you do? Come here.
What?
Come here for a sec, bud. What are you doing?
Getting more water in here?
Here, do you want me to get you some?
Sure.
What does that look for? Are you smiling for the camera?
Yeah.
You're looking very cute.
Hi!
You're looking very cute.
Hi!
Uh-oh. Alright.
Hi, Pedal!
You think I'm better?
Yeah.
I wish. Here, let me see that thing.
Put some more water in
Okay.
it.
Put some more water in it. Here we go. Can't believe I'm doing this for you. There you go. Oh, Jesus. How's it look? Mike got a nice big mess on the floor now? Yes?
Can I give me some water?
No.
Well, I am.
No. Hey! Hey! Look at him. Big time trouble. Oh my God. This is all this kid ever wants to do is transfer water. After you see Nori. Hey, Chloe. Look. Wait, let me get it. Wait, you're trying to pour that into a measuring spoon? Hey, wait.